DataAnnotation usually pays more per task than Scale AI, but Scale often has more beginner-friendly volume. By the end of this, you'll know where the money difference comes from, what kind of work each platform offers, and which one makes more sense for your time. The fast answer is simple. If your goal is higher pay per hour, DataAnnotation usually wins. If your goal is easier entry and steady microtasks, Scale AI is often easier to start with. Here's why. First, look at the work itself. DataAnnotation focuses heavily on AI training tasks. That means evaluating chatbot answers, writing prompts, checking logic, and improving model responses. This work needs stronger reading and writing skills. That's why the pay tends to be higher. The barrier is also higher. You usually have to pass qualification tasks before getting regular work. Scale AI works differently. A lot of Scale tasks involve data labeling, image tagging, text classification, and annotation work. The tasks are usually shorter and simpler. That makes it easier for beginners, but simpler work usually means lower payout per task. That's the trade-off. Second, look at consistency. DataAnnotation can feel uneven. Some workers get a lot of tasks, then hit dry periods depending on project demand. The upside is when work is available, it's often higher value. Scale tends to feel more like a production line. More tasks, more repetition, less thinking. That's good if you want predictable workflow. Not as good if you're optimizing for earnings. Third, think about skill growth. DataAnnotation builds stronger transferable skills. Prompt writing, AI evaluation, and critical reasoning are getting more valuable every year. That experience can lead to higher paying freelance AI work later. Scale teaches process discipline. That's useful too, but it's less specialized. So which pays more? For pure hourly upside, DataAnnotation is usually the better bet, because the tasks are more specialized. For volume and accessibility, Scale AI is stronger. Here's the best move. Apply to both. Use Scale to get comfortable with structured task work. Use DataAnnotation to chase higher paying projects once you pass the screening. And one mistake to avoid: only looking at per task payout. A short task paying less can still be better if you finish it quickly and keep moving. The real metric is time. So, the short version. DataAnnotation usually wins on pay. Scale AI usually wins on consistency. Your choice depends on whether you want higher skill or higher volume. Your next step is simple. Apply to both and compare your first week. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more remote work breakdowns.